So my final station is my rewrapping station. Now you'll notice that I'm not wearing any goggles or gloves because at this point the product is clean and I'm now just wrapping it. So I really want the manual dexterity. So I open up the guillotine door, I pull my first basket out, and this is my final inspection. I'm looking for cleanliness and smell, and if there's anything that still needs a little bit of drying. So what I might notice here, what I've noticed here is the label, the little bit of the gum of the label is left, so I'll just give that a wipe down. This is ready to be wrapped. I'm going to inspect these. These are all good to go for wrapping. They're all dry. Because these came out of a basket with a red tag, I know that it's going to go into a brand new box with my red tag that has all my new data. So this basket is now complete. I'm going to move this basket off to the side so that the unpacking person can come over and secure empty baskets and tags. I'll grab my next basket. Same thing, I've got utensils. I'm inspecting them for cleanliness. Now this one here is not clean, and in fact, it's burnt on, looks to me like it's burnt on plastic. So if it gets this far, this is the final inspection. If your repacking person sees a problem, this is where they either kick it back into the line or they send it back for total loss. So a fork like this, because it looks burnt on, I'm going to have to say that this would be total loss. The other utensils are nice and clean. They look clean, so we're going to go ahead and process those. And for packaging, our designer knife set, those are nice and clean. So these are going to be put off to the side, and they're going to marry back with the felt wood display case that they came in. And that would be the final process. Wrap, box, and then place into a vault.